Welcome to the $1,000 day trading challenge. Stay tuned for all the live action. What's going on, guys? So I recorded all this live this morning. I've been trading for about an hour now. It's 10:30 and not sure what happened, but the recording is no longer there. It's gone. So now I got to recap this. I've been talking to you guys for the last hour. I've been talking about these trades, and I guess I'm just going to have to do it the old school way. So DFFN thought this one had the power to go higher this morning, but instead it went lower. And you can see here, DFFN got there at that $3 area, pulled back pretty hard, got down to this 250 area, which was the pre-market high there. You can see pre-market high, and you can see here, I thought I might get filled on this dip here. I thought we might bounce off the 250 area, which we did a little bit. We had a little bit of bounce there, 250s. You can see we were bouncing here, got all the way to that 260 area, and just couldn't explode. I was a little stubborn. Probably should have just taken profit here at 260. I thought I might get a nice little dip by here, at least get back over the 270s, you know, maybe make a run at the high of day and then get kind of that double top up there at the $3 area. But instead, it just went lower and lower. So, you know, it's kind of watching this 245 area as my stop area, and basically we broke through 245 and it crashed right down there to 241. So I got out of 241 instead. So pretty much proving that, you know, even buying the dip sometimes doesn't work out, but this is definitely a lot better of an entry than, you know, getting in here at the 295 area for that $3 move and then getting crushed here. So I'm happy with that at least. So we got to that 295 area. That first candle market open, it crashed right down there to the 240 area, bounce here, get back up to that high of day, maybe, you know, 270 area, 275. The EMA was there at the 275, 270 area. So I'm thinking, you know, worst come to worst, we get some kind of just overreaction, little pop back up there. But instead, we got stuck there at 260, and you can see DFFN down there at the 214 area. If I would have held onto this, if I was stubborn, if I was like, okay, I'm just going to hold this one for a while and let this one go higher, now it's down there to 215, and that's not where I want to be, you know, starting the day out there with a 40, 50 cent loss. So DFFN just not working out this morning. It had all the technicals, it had the news, it had the power, it had a lot of volume. You can see this morning, it jumped up there from the 230 area up there to 295, so it made a nice move. I was sitting here pre-market watching it above this 236 area, did not pull the trigger, and instead kind of was thinking I might get this dip buy here, but the dip buy did not work out. Another stock that I was trading this morning was TRXYE. It got up to that 365 area right out of there, out of the morning this morning, bounced around that 330 area, jumped up there to 365, but I ended up getting in here on this pullback, got in here at the 340 area, and then took profit there. I was looking for that move above that 350 area. It got stopped out at 350, so I ended up taking profit there at 348. Only made 8 cents, but I had 2,000 shares, so I was able to take a little bit more size there and make 160 bucks quickly on that move. So I got in there at the 340, took profit there at 348, and you can see here TRXYE made this huge move above the 350 area like I wanted earlier, but it just didn't do it when I wanted it to. It ended up pulling back a couple times, and then finally making that move above that 350 area. So you can see TRXYE getting up there to the $4 area after breaking through that 350 resistance, getting up there to $4, ended up going short here at the $4 area there at 398, and then covering down here at the 378 area. So that was a nice little trade there on TRXYE. You can see it got really just crazy, got extended, and then had a nice little pullback, but now it's up there to the 445 area, high of day now at 444. So nice little move here on TRXYE. Another stock we were watching this morning was ETRM. It got up there to the 256 area, which was previous resistance, and then pulled back pretty hard. So a lot of stocks kind of moving around this morning, a lot of stocks up, down, all over the place, but not really given good opportunities, and just not, it's kind of a choppy morning. Choppy morning overall, a lot of stocks popping up, crashing down, and just not looking that good overall for me right now. ETRM, pre-market high was there at the 256 area. It got up there at 256 there at open, and then crashed back down. So it had a nice little move there from the 230 area, but then getting stuck at that 260 area, pulling back down. So overall on the day, not exactly what I wanted. DFFN losing $119 on that trade, making $180 long on TRXYE, and then also going short there and making $110 there on that drop lower. So nothing crazy this morning, couple trades, couple stocks moving around, but overall, it's kind of a choppy morning, not loving it. ETRM, DFFN were kind of the stocks that I was watching this morning. So overall, kind of a choppy morning, trying to play it safe. I've been trading for about an hour now, not really feeling it. The market just feels like it doesn't have the volume there that we need really to get these crazy moves that I'm used to. DFFN, thought this one was really going to have the power to do higher. I thought it was going to be one of these repeats from yesterday. Remember yesterday I had that nice little dip buy right there at open, and kind of thought this might be a repeat here, at least kind of get some kind of pop. But DFFN just not working out for me, and it is what it is. So I'm gonna kind of end it there. I know. I'm sorry about the live trades. I can't go back in time now. I wish I could. I'd go back in time and trade it all a lot better. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Gotta get this computer recorder working right again. And tune in tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. We doing it all live, pre-market, talking about what stocks are hot.